Hi friends, good evening to you. Hope you're doing good. Good morning, depending on where you're watching from. Quick one, I want to show us how to connect your alarm sounder to Energizer. Okay, so let's go. This is wizard 4 Energizer. Okay, so wizard 4, right? Okay, so this is the alarm. This is the alarm. Okay, alarm sounder. Okay, so now this is the cable for the alarm. Okay, these are the two cable for the alarm. Okay, so we assume this to be the red and this to be the black. Okay, so now this is where you connect it. I want to show you where you connect it. Okay, this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, can you see it? Okay, can you see it? Can you see it? So now this very port. Okay, okay, so this first port. Okay, can you see it? You get the red cable to the first port, then the black cable. Okay, I know I told us let's assume the first one to be red and this to be black. So haven't done it like this, you tight it. Okay, fasten it. Okay, then you fuse it back. All right, you fuse it back. Can you see it? Fine. Then you arrange your cable. Okay, you arrange your cable and then you connect. Okay, now this is our fence. Okay, this is our fence prototype. Okay, all right, it's connected already, so we have to power the Energizer. Okay, can you see it? 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 Ah, wonderful. Okay, can you see how it's moving light? Oh, that's good. Keep watching and you'll be learning from us. Thank you.